I spent 120,000 US dollars on a business coach, so you don't have to. Hi, welcome to our channel, The Ash Cash Stash. In a world where knowledge is often seen as a commodity with a heavy price tag, I embarked on a daring experiment, a 120,000 US dollar business coach investment. But hold on to your wallets because in this captivating journey, I'll show you how to save those hard-earned dollars by unlocking the secrets of free learning. Prepare to be enlightened, entertained, and maybe just a little bit shocked as we handle the twists and turns of my high-price adventure, all while discovering the priceless value of knowledge without the heavy bill. Number 1. Was it worth spending 120,000 US dollars on a business coach? I dished out 120,000 US dollars for a business coach unpacking the investment, although hiring a business coach for 120,000 US dollars a year may seem costly. I decided to do it, and in this video, I'll explain why. I made this significant investment to acquire insights and information that I'm thrilled to impart to you without a charge. Jordan, my coach, is a giant in business world who has mentored CEOs and made a name for himself. He has been crucial in assisting me in overcoming obstacles in both my personal and professional life. I've learned the very great value he brings to the table after 1 year of this coaching experience. Anyone attempting to achieve their goals can benefit from Jordan's skills, which is not just useful for CEOs. My goal is to openly impart this knowledge while supporting it with my own operating-related experiences. My objective is to give you information and guidance that will enable you to realize your dreams. Number 2. Mastering focus. Unlock your potential. Focus is the key to productivity and it can be your most effective instrument for success. Your energy can disappear by continual interruptions and numerous to-do lists, which will keep you from focusing on what is really important. Because of their capacity for sustained, intense concentration on a single task, high performers frequently thrive. Focus and endurance are traits that are sometimes undervalued but can provide outstanding results. The quote-unquote one thing list is one useful idea that my coach gave to me. Finding the one activity that when completed will have a substantial impact on everything else is the goal of this technique. You can prioritize well by putting all your effort into this important assignment and putting the rest on hold. However, since individuals frequently confuse importance and urgency, it's essential to consider whether the quote-unquote one thing you've selected is actually the most crucial component. Number 3. Unlocking success. The power of quote-unquote who, not how. Finding the right quote-unquote who. Someone who can help you achieve your goals instead of getting lost in the quote-unquote how and trying to figure everything out on your own. Focus on finding the right quote-unquote who. It's about manipulating the expertise and skills of others to get things done more efficiently and effectively, whether it's achieving your fitness goals, improving your sales skills, or facing any challenge. Finding the proper individuals to help you can make all the difference in the world, whether you're trying to attain your fitness goals, develop your sales skills, or take on any task. In this process, accountability and transparency are essential in making sure that roles are clearly defined and that progress is tracked. So keep in mind that sometimes it doesn't matter how you'll do something, it just matters who can assist you in getting there. Number 4. Unlocking significant returns. Utilizing the knowledge of specialized consultants has been one of my entrepreneurial journey's most profitable methods. These experts, who have already dominated their specialized fields, provide perceptions and outcomes that have the potential to alter the course of events. I've seen amazing results with revenues exceeding 10 million US dollars by paying people on an hourly basis rather than committing to wages. I enlisted the aid of YouTube and newsletter experts, and with their guidance, our channel amassed 500,000 subscribers in just 6 months, while the readership of our newsletter increased by 250,000 subscribers over the course of an 18-month period. Jordan, one of these professionals, played a crucial role in providing priceless insights into numerous phases of our organization. Jordan is also our business coach. Number 5. Become a benefactor. Securing the future for both ourselves and the future generations is of utmost importance when pursuing financial success. As someone who overcame adversity to become the first member of my family to enjoy financial success, I am aware of the importance of preserving what we've achieved. I support increasing wealth, but I'm also quite enthusiastic about protecting the home. Life insurance is a crucial method of doing that. Life insurance has always been important, but the traditional application process regularly turned away many people, including myself. It required medical examinations and blood testing, was complicated, and took a lot of time. But this is where ethos comes into play, changing the face of life insurance. The procedure has been streamlined, making it quick, simple, and inexpensive. With ethos, you can get a quote in minutes rather than weeks by answering few health-related questions. There is no need for physical exams or blood testing. Number 6. Embracing a goal-free approach. It's crucial to move away from setting conventional goals and toward accepting the idea of making compromises in the quest for success. We may not completely anticipate the hidden costs associated with achieving our goals, such as having to sacrifice time, comfort, or other chances. We obtain a better understanding of the true cost of our goals by outlining what we're prepared to give up in order to fulfill our dreams. For instance, if the objective is to make 6 figures, it might be necessary to overcome the anxiety of swapping with superiors, working odd hours, or putting out the effort of submitting numerous job applications. We must be willing to pay the price that each desire carries. When we identify our North Star, the end goal we're aiming for, and assess whether the possibilities that present themselves are in line with it, success in this situation becomes more possible. It's simple to get distracted by intriguing possibilities, but if they don't advance our North Star, we might want to think twice. Number 8. Organizing your future aspiration. The quote-unquote someday maybe list is a brilliant tool for managing your great numbers of ideas and aspirations. It's essentially your personal parking lot for all of those wild notions that pop into your head. Instead of letting them clutter in your mind, you jot them down on this list, almost like parking cars for a future joyride. This practice has been a game changer for me, and I keep it handy on my phone. Whenever a crazy idea strikes, I deposit it there, liberating my mind and allowing me to focus on the present. Consider it as them temporarily seizing control of the issue when you notice people seeming to steal your ideas or pushing you in unexpected directions. Keep in mind that you and these others are still moving toward your objectives in the same general direction. Even if it may not seem like it at first, these experiences occasionally might help you move even more quickly in the direction of your goal. Don't let it upset you too much because the result is still the same. Number 9. Accept the backseat and happiness will follow. It's natural that some people will try to undermine you or even steal your ideas without giving you credit when you're working toward your objectives. However, learning to occasionally accept the backseat is a great lesson. Don't let it worry you too much when others seem to take the initiative and succeed without appreciating your contributions. Keep in mind that you are all still making progress toward your desired outcomes. In fact, giving them the wheel for a bit will help you get where you're going more quickly. Whatever party appears to be in charge at any particular time, what matters most in the end is achieving your goal. Number 10. The documentary, The $100 Million Film. In this video, the speaker stresses the value of engaging with colleagues and having successful communication in a professional situation. They make reference to a document known as the quote-unquote weekly one-on-one doc. which is used to track and manage key performance indicators or KPIs for staff. As a means for employees to show their passion and attention to their work, the speaker emphasizes the need of proactively forwarding this document to their management. The speaker also emphasizes the value of getting to know your staff members on a personal level and learning about their goals and aspirations. They think that building deeper relationships with and understanding of the individuals you deal with helps to build trust and enables leaders to obtain the best output from their teams. The speaker concludes by highlighting the crucial role that the weekly one-on-one talk plays in an organization's capacity to uphold openness, accountability, and solid working relationships. Wrapping up my $120,000 business coach adventure, it's time to unleash the fun in learning. Remember, you don't need a fortune to gain valuable insights. Let's turn the tables on traditional education and embrace the joy of free, endless learning. After all, the best investments in life are often the ones that keep your wallet happy and your mind dancing with curiosity. So, let's bid farewell to overpriced wisdom and dive headfirst into the thrilling world of affordable enlightenment. Your brain and your bank account will thank you.